Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to make this dark lip lighter, and it's called a lip blushing treatment. She has a little more white color patch also inside her of her lower lips. That's because of she had gone through some of the treatment to get lighten the lips, but it becomes white in color. So now we are going to make the lip blushing on top of it, and we are going to make this dark lip pigment as well as white pigment to get as a natural lip color. So this is one of the safest way of doing it, and it is best also. Why it is best? Because we are the one of the tattoo studios providing this service as a more professional way. I am Suresh Machu, and I am one of the American Academy of Micropigmentation member, and I got a certified from that. So you are going to get the more smooth and the perfect output of what we are doing it, and the colors are going to match exactly on your skin tone. So now the video got fast forwarded. So many of them ask these questions. I have a smoker lips, so can I go for this treatment to get it lighter and get a little pinkish lip? Yes, definitely you can be able to do it. With this treatment we can be able to achieve it. At least it required 2 to 5 settings of the treatment to get the natural color back, but we recommend most of the time 2 to 3 settings itself people will get their natural skin tone and the little pinkish tone. So no need to worry about it much. And if you guys have any more doubt regarding this, please do contact us. Our contact number there in the description. We are happy to help you out. And before you come down to the studio, please book an appointment and then visit us. So every artist can't be able to do this. As you all know, there are artists specifically certified and mentioned for it. So please do contact us, book an appointment, then you please visit us. In that way we can be able to provide the flawless service to you. So as you can see, the treatment is going really good and smooth. She is making it out very well, and there is no much of a swelling, there is no much of a bleeding, and it's going to be looks more natural. Many of them get tired of using a lipstick all day, every day, morning as a routine. When we do this, you will get achieved the permanent makeup of lipstick, and you don't need to do lipstick anymore in your life. So there are a lot of people coming for this treatment to us from different states. So people are traveling and coming. We have accommodation near to our tattoo studio itself. When you contact us, we can help you out with accommodations, details, and all the things. You can book it with them. And some of the clients, what they do is when they travel and come to do this treatment, they are booking cabs or buses little more earlier. Don't do that. Keep a buffer time of at least 1 hour or 2 hours. So in that way we don't need to hurry up the process, and we can finish it much more earlier. So now we are going to do her only on the lower lips. Then once it's got succeeded, then we plan to go ahead on the upper lips also. So when we do this lower lips, it takes approximately half an hour to 45 minutes of time. Here you see the final results. It is so beautiful. White patch also not visible, dark patch also not visible in the lower lips. It's matched and looking so vibrant. It's the fresh one. Now once it's got healed, it will look more beautiful. I will meet you in the next video. Don't die nude.